everybody! We're going to watch MotoGP. The first day. Guys, akhirnya Starbucks! Tuh, denger gak kalian? Aduh. You guys hear that? The sound. Oh my god. Let's see inside.
Hi, we just arrived in the circuit and we're having our
Churros.
breakfast.
Yeah, because we haven't eat, so we just eat churros and then we go inside the circuit. See you there. Guys, we're apa nih? Lining up ya to get in. Guys, the free practice pertama udah mulai. Guys, I cannot believe this thing. I watch MotoGP. Time, right? Is it? And then we're waiting for the practice 2. And after that we watch again, and then after that we go home.
Tanto en Instagram como en Twitter, en @MotoGP.